Okay, this is a project for the FPV car I'm making to be driven by steering wheel and foot pedals for a customer. The original prototype car that I used, and there's the video on YouTube how we used that, set it up and drove it around the track using a transmitter, looking at a TV monitor screen. Anyway, now this is a pre-production one I'm working on. Again, the camera's fitted here, and this isn't ready yet. It's just pre-production, getting everything right. Anyway, so, this is the setup for the wheel and pedal system. This is using a basic wheel and pedal. It has to use a simple transmitter wheel which has a limited throw. It's got to use I'm using a potentiometer rather than the magnetic one, which means you can turn the wheel round and round. It's much easier to use a potentiometer to interface to the transmitter using the buddy connection in the back, and this interface unit here which converts the signal. This thing was made for a gyro to connect to like some aircraft or something. Anyway, using this and the transmitter, the car switched on, and just using the wheel here left and right, you've got the steering left and right and the camera moving with it, and the same with the pedals. You've got acceleration, and then you've got a brake, and if you press it again you get reverse. And this is forward. So whether or not this wheel will be sufficiently for the customer, I'm not sure. None of these buttons are operative, so I've had to set it up in the car to get the turning angle and set it to straight ahead. Anyway, so that's the prototype. I'm going to finish off the prototype, the pre-production one I mean, tidy up all the wiring, get it all right, the wiring that I want, fix everything in, and then take it outside and see how easy it is to drive. Of course, as I said, we're going to be using a screen to drive it from, like a monitor, and here I've got a small monitor as well which you can use outside, which actually has receivers built in for the camera, and so if you take it to a track or something you might even use that little one, but the actual customer one will have a big monitor to look at with the steering wheel and wheels mounted in front of it. Okay, we'll see how we get on after I've got it all set up properly.